Good morning, student. Student, today I will teach you subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay. Question is subtract 3789 from 7032. Student, look at these two numbers and tell which number is bigger. Yes, that's right. This number is bigger. Here is the 7000 and there is 3000 because 7000 is bigger than 3000. So we will write this number above and write this number is down. Okay. First make a column. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. We will write the numbers in these columns. 7032. We'll write below it 3789. Okay. As I mentioned, the minus sign will be put here. Let's start subtract. We will start from ones place. Its 2 is written top and below is 9. I cannot subtract bigger number from smaller number. Student, suppose that you have 2 pencils and if you want to give 9 pencil to your brother, how will you give? You cannot give. So, I cannot subtract 2 from 9. So, do you know what do we do? You know that 2 need to borrow 1 from 3. So, 2 will borrow 1 from 3 and become 12. And since 2 has taken 1 from 3, 3 will become 2. Understood? You can see. So now I have 12. So now I have 12 minus 9. What 12 minus 9? 12 minus 9 is 3. And over here I have 2, not 3. 2 cannot subtract 8. So we will have to borrow from neighbors. The neighbor is 0 in the 100 place. So it has nothing to give because 0 means nothing. And when we have 0 something, you cannot give it to me. So if I ask you for something, if you don't have that, what will you do? In this situation, we will take the help of 7. So this 0 borrows from this 7 and becomes tens and becomes 10. Okay? And this 7 becomes 6 because 7 has given 1 to 0. So it becomes 10 now. Right? Student, what is happening here? This is 7000. Now 7000 has given 1000 to this 0. Okay? So 1000 is also 10 hundreds. You can see 1000 is also 10 hundreds. So I have 10 in the hundreds column because this means 10 hundreds. Now this numbers is 10. So this 2 can now borrow from this. So this 2 borrows 1 and becomes 12. And since this 10 given 1 to this 2, it becomes 9. Student, now all doubts clear? Okay. So let's start subtract. Again, 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. And 12 minus 8 is 4. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Answer is 3243. Answer right. 3243. Understood this question? Okay. Do practice well.